What's going on, guys? Brand new RC in the house today. The Losi Mini B, the rebirth of the mini class. This little thing is cool, guys. Check it out. It's basically a shrunk down version of the Losi 22 5.0 that I have. Let me show you. It's basically a shrunk down version of the Losi 22. There that is, the 110 scale. I'm still in the process of building it. It's been sitting around for a while because been kind of lazy. I need to get it back to it and finish it. Just need electronics and wheels and tires. I got the wheels and paint the body. But it's a cool cool platform. Look at this thing. See, it's almost identical to check it out. It's just shrunk down. This is a 1/16 scale. This is 1/10 scale. So pretty cool how they shrunk that down, and it's really low profile, like stealth looking. It's so cool. It really looks sharp, the little mini B and the big brother. Let me get this out of the way. So yeah, this buggy came out, I don't know, it's probably been out for a year, maybe a year, and I'm finally getting around to getting one. But it comes, like I said, it comes fully built, ready to run. It's fully waterproof, which is good. It comes with a Dynamite 7.4 volt 2S, 650 milliamp hour, 20C LiPo. Comes with it right out of the box. Comes with this little transmitter. It's a pretty cool little transmitter, actually. Actually, it comes with full ball bearings as well. And fully adjustable turnbuckles and everything. Check it out. Metal out drives, metal drive shafts. And the suspension on it feels just awesome. Anyway, back to the controller. It comes with this little like miniaturized controller where you just push this little button here and this slides out. It detaches, and then your batteries go down in here. Then pop it back in, and then this slides back in there. Pretty, actually, at first I was like this junky little thing, but it's actually pretty neat little design. And then on-off switch. You got digital steering trim and throttle trim. You got reverse, and you got, oh, there's a third channel button there as well. Yeah, I like it, actually. It's not bad. It's very compact, pretty cool. Anyway, back to the buggy. This is a brushed buggy. It's not brushless. It comes in 3 different colors. You can get through one of 3 different colors. The one I got, the blue green, this black and white, yellow looking color, and then a yellow and white. So all 3 of them look pretty cool, actually. I like all 3 of them. But I was out running this the other day. I have already ran it, and it doesn't do very well in loose dirt. Definitely not made for loose dirt. More like you need more of a packed surface like clay or carpet. I think a lot of guys are racing these now on the indoor carpet tracks, the 1/10 scale tracks, which would probably be amazing to do that. So I've just been running it around the house mainly. It's pretty fun. Not crazy fast, but it's fun. Take this body off. So the body, it kind of wraps around the gearbox there, the little pinion gear cover. So you got to kind of pull it out a little bit to get it out of there. It's held in by one pin. One tiny little pin holds the body in, that slides in under the front shock tower. So there it is. Check it out. That's awesome, man. It's awesome how they laid this out. It's almost just like the big brother, the layout of it. Your little brush motor, 280 size brush motor. Like I said, there's the LiPo it comes with. It's a built-in receiver and ESC all-in-one unit, 20 amp. And it's waterproof. Steering servo is apparently waterproof as well. And it's actually a speedy little servo, man. I was pretty impressed at the speed of it. Pretty fast. Metal chassis. aluminum chassis, pretty cool. Like I said, adjustable camber and everything on this. Look at, oh yeah, it's got, yeah, all the links are adjustable. Check that out. Like I said, metal drive shafts in the rear, and they're metal out drives as well. Pretty solid, man. Pretty solid built little RC. Check it out. Plastic shocks, but they feel really, really good, these shocks. I mean, they are plastic, but they feel, look at that, absolutely dialed. Look at that, just don't bounce, it sits perfect. Plastic shock towers, plastic, you know, gearbox, everything's plastic besides, like I said, the chassis, metal chassis, and the dog bones and the out drives. But pretty cool. The tires are, I think the tires are made for more of a carpet surface, this tread pattern here. Like I said, it don't do well on dirt, loose dirt, but it's still fun. I mean, you can still do it on loose dirt. You just gotta, you can't gun it off the, you can't like gun the throttle or it'll just spin out. If you ease into it, it's okay. But I'm having fun with it. Let me turn it on real quick. The little switch is right here. It's a tiny switch too, which is hard to, sometimes it's hard to turn on if you have the body on it. But look how fast that steering servo is. Is that cool or what? Pretty cool. Yeah, it's well built. It's solid. I'm pretty impressed actually when I got it. I was like, wow, I'm actually pretty impressed that they actually did pretty much shrink down the Losi 22 5.0. Not exactly, but it's pretty close. It's cool. But I can't believe how fast that steering servo is. It's awesome. Okay, turn this off. So yeah, they also have the stadium truck one, the 2-wheel drive stadium truck for about the same price. And hold on a sec. This body can be a little difficult to get on, honestly, if you don't know how to do it, which I'm not an expert yet. But I think once you get it down, it's going to be a lot easier to get on and off. Yeah, they do have the stadium truck, the 2-wheel drive stadium truck as well. I might pick that one up too. They're just cool. They're just so neat. They also offer a brushless conversion. It's a, I think it's an all-in-one unit where it has the ESC and the, I think it's just the ESC. Is it the ESC or all three? It's all built into the motor, so you get rid of all the other electronics and you put that brushless motor in. It's by Dynamite. If you want to upgrade to brushless, they offer that on both models. I think right now the stadium truck, they have the brushless version, but I didn't see the brushless for this to buy. It was like $199. They might have it, I'm not sure, but they do offer the upgrade, so that might be something to look into in the future. But right now I'm just having fun with it, rolling around the house, chasing the cats and stuff. It's cool. So I know that wasn't the best detailed review of this buggy, but I wanted to make a video and show you guys. So stay tuned for some running videos of this in the future. And until next time, the RC Element out.